Hey everyone! So excited that you'll be doing your first lessons this month coming up this Thursday and Friday. In order to prepare you, we wanted to make sure to create this video. You already have the lesson plan written out, but we wanted to create the video to give you further information about it. So at this point, you've been signed up for the Google Classroom, but if you know of anyone who hasn't signed up yet, please make sure that they're signing up. So get them the code, whatever they need to do, make sure they're signed up. So first things first, make sure your web shirt is all ready to go. Wash it, find it, whatever you need, put it in your book bag on Wednesday night so that you have it ready for Thursday. As soon as you walk into the building, you're going to want to go directly to your 6th grade morning advisory. Don't worry about your 8th grade morning advisory teacher. They're going to know that you're in the lesson. They're going to know about your attendance because we'll make sure that attendance is taken care of. So just go directly with your bags to your 6th grade morning advisory. Talk with your 6th graders, make sure you're engaging in conversation with them, be relaxed, have fun with them, all the way up until the morning announcements. And what you're going to find is in the classroom, you will see, it'll likely be with your morning advisory teacher, but you're going to see a bag, your supply bags from orientation with all of the necessary paperwork, the lesson plan, any copies of paperwork, etc. So it's all going to be in there. So make sure to find that while you're also engaging with the 6th graders in any conversation. Don't worry about a circle of chairs. I know we talked about the importance of that, but for this lesson, you don't need it. You can have the students sit in their desks because they are going to need those desks to write on, but make sure that they've pulled out a pen or a pencil and have that all ready to go once the bell rings. Listen to the morning announcements, and then you're off and ready to go for your first lesson. So the first lesson on Thursday is about making time and not rushing, and you'll see what we do. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take out the yellow sheet of paper, and you'll have multiple copies of this. Distribute one to each student. There's 2 sides to it, and you're going to have them start with the first side, side 1, that's called A Bug's Life. You're going to give them exactly 30 seconds to complete this word search and find as many words as they possibly can. 30 seconds meaning time it, all right? So make sure, I know you don't have access to your cell phones, but you can certainly use whatever clock or whatever's in the room to be able to time it. So make sure it's timed. After 30 seconds, you're going to want to engage them in conversation about the activity. Remember, the process questions in each lesson are going to be more important than the activity itself. So you want to ask questions about how did it feel? What was it like to only have 30 seconds to complete this assignment? And then the last question that you want to engage them in is, has anyone ever rushed through their homework? We want you to get to that topic because, again, it's all about homework, making time for homework, and not rushing through things. So after you go through those process questions, you should give them an example of how one time you rushed through something and did not do it successfully. Meaning, you know what, last week I had this homework assignment to do. I had 10 different things that needed to happen and I didn't get to this assignment, or I didn't do it as well as I had wanted to. And so I rushed through it, handed it in, and then it didn't turn out so well. So we want a story about how it didn't work out so well for you. And that's really important. Remember, they want to see you as regular human beings who are a little bit vulnerable and who have some weakness to them. So, so make sure to highlight that in a story. And then after you tell them the story, you're going to want to have them flip over this yellow sheet of paper and go to side 2 where it says B words. And you're going to now give them 3 minutes to complete this word search. Again, they should find as many words as possible in 3 minutes and time it so that it's exact. After that activity, process that with them again. Ask them, how did it go this time around? If someone says, well, gosh, I felt more relaxed and it was a lot calmer, try to get them to relate that to homework. Well, if you allowed more time, right, maybe homework would actually be a little bit more relaxing. Talk with them about the value of planning homework and really making time for it. Once you ask that final question or talk about that final question, it should be 8:18, exactly at the very end, maybe 8:17. You're going to want to wrap up, collect any papers, and then say goodbye to everyone, give them high fives, make sure that you are the last to leave, and make sure that you are keeping this supply bag in the 6th grade morning advisory. Don't take it with you afterwards. So we'll see you later. That is a review of the first lesson on Thursday. Good luck with it. Don't forget to wear your web shirts, and we'll see you later.